You remember me when the west wind moves upon the fields of barley. You forget the sun in this jealous sky as we walk in the fields of gold. So she took her love for to gaze a while upon the fields of barley. In his arms she fell as her hair came down as we lie in the fields of gold. I never made promises lightly, and there have been some that are broken, but I swear in the days still that we will walk in the fields of gold. We will walk in the fields